Hello guys, welcome to Capture Tutorials. In this particular video we are going to see how to configure SonarLint and SonarQube in our Java application. So guys, let me give some quick introduction about SonarLint and SonarQube. So basically we use SonarLint to detect the issues or bugs reported in our particular application or particular file, to increase the quality of the code and to ensure that we will have some quality of the code in production. And similarly, SonarQube, it's an again open source platform developed by SonarSource for continuous inspection of the code and quality, to perform some automatic reviews and some statistical analysis to detect the bugs and some graphical representation and all. So for that stuff, like security and vulnerability detection, for that stuff we will use SonarQube. Generally we go through this. So here in this particular video we are going to see that how to configure this particular SonarLint IDE in our IDE, and how to configure this SonarQube in our local machine. So first we will go through this SonarLint, guys. So let's start. So if I go to my IDE, if I go to project settings, so now we have to download a SonarLint plugin. So just browse the repositories and search for SonarLint. Yes, so here you can see the SonarLint plugin, and you might get an install button. This update is for me because I have already installed. So if you notice here, number of downloads and all. So once you successfully install this plugin in your IDE, so we will see how this lint work in our IDE. So generally I have taken a sample example here, just a kickstart project. Nothing is there in this currently. So if you see here, it's just a empty sample file. So here you can, if you notice here, I can see the analyze this file with the SonarLint. This icon, I mean this particular menu, you can see in your menu. So let's quickly see how this will work. See, if I say I will declare some unused variable. So see, print private, let's say some values. If I declare like this and if I started analyzing this file, so immediately it will show me that unused private variable should be removed. Like that way, how this plugin will help developers to this kind of stuff. Similarly, if you say these are just a very basic sample, guys, so I am just covering. See again, if we use like this, and if you see now I can have to installing standard output should not be used directly to log anything. So like that way we will get a lot of we will see in depth I mean some examples with some example. We will see how this SonarLint will be going to help us and all. So this is the way. So before that, I will just configure SonarQube in my machine. See, immediately it is detected and it is removed. If you notice here, no issues found. Like that way we can run on file and we can run on project level, and we will get the consolidated report, how many issues are there, like that, what are the severity of the issues and all. We will give that all the kind of stuff, so we can track. So this is a brief about the SonarLint, how to configure and how to enable in the related IDE. So now we will see how to configure SonarQube. So we have to download SonarQube. If you from their official site, this is the official site of SonarQube. If you go see a download, you can download from this any version you can use. It's community version. Once you download it, you just go to your repository. So I will be just going to my repository here. I downloaded file. So now we have to start that SonarQube. So I am just going to start this. So use the command sonar.sh. So basically we have to do with this stuff: start, stop, restart, status. So I have to mention one more thing, is start command. So once downloaded, so you can able to start like this, guys. So if you notice here, you will get the process ID as well. You can even check the status. SonarQube is running. So by default, the SonarLint will run on 9000 port. If you check here, so you will get a configuration file in this particular stuff. You can get all the configuration related information, and the SonarLint they will auto configured as in memory. So if you want to use any related database to store the stuffs, you can use that particular database as well. It's a property file, sorry guys. So you can see here all the related stuff information. You can use whatever. You can configure where it has to be run, what is the connection, what is the web server if you want to see. If you want to change the port, you can do a lot of stuff with this. You can do a lot of configurations with this particular file. So now let's see whether this server is came up or not. I will be just running on 9. We will to just see the 9000 port localhost. Yes, 9000. See, if you notice, guys, this is a home screen of that. It's kind of dashboard, and it will support multiple languages, see, like Java, C++, Python, COBOL, even TypeScript as well. So see, this is we can see currently I have configured one project, same which I am going to use. So we will see with that project. So okay, to configure to sync that our IDE project to this running stuff. So this SonarQube, which is running on a local, so we have to just do some configuration. So if you go to the in pom.xml, you have to go to pom.xml. If you notice here, you have to give a jar called Sonar Scanner Maven. With the help of that, it will automatically the sync will happen from your directory to that, and you have to give the plugin as well. So if then before that, you just go we have to go to this, we'll go to the Maven menu. See, in this particular plugins you can able to see the SonarLint. So before that we will just install our project. I'll be just showing one sample. So see, if you notice here, my server is going to up. Yeah, my build is success. So if we go now, I can use Sonar. If you notice guys, see how it is getting loaded. This is a Sonar 6.5 I am using. Yes, see, this is the URL where you can see all the stuff. If you go here, if you go to your project, so this is the configured project. This is nothing but the name of my project which I am using. So currently if you see, there is no issues, no bugs, no code smells, nothing. So even you can see here number of how many lines are there, how many lines of code in your project. So that stuff, that statistics, everything you can see. So if you go to here issue, there are no currently issues, there is no anything. Even you can see here all the directories here, along with the how many lines of code and what is the coverage, what is the duplications, what is the vulnerabilities, what are the bugs. This kind of stuffs we can see as a GUI interface with the help of this SonarQube. So we will just go to our project and we will create some stuff. So I'll be just writing something to show how the SonarQube is going to detect. So I will just create one method. I will be just taking one sample example guys, just to show how to detect the causes or the quality of the code. I have written some stuff guys, so let's see what SonarLint with SonarQube will tell to us. Some steps, some stuff just to demonstrate. Yes, my build is success. So similarly I will just run SonarLint as well. Yes, analysis is successful. If I go here, Now you can see guys, some code smells, some issues it is showing. If I go here, see how it is detected, is telling me